My name is Dylan, and today I would like to introduce you to the newest item in our range, the IR30 Multi-Touch Interactive Whiteboard. It is built with infrared technology, which allows for multi-touch on any PC or laptop plugged into it. One USB cable going into the PC powers up this PC, so no additional power cables needed for this. Also, no drivers are needed for this board to work. It comes with your two basic styluses, your extendable stylus, and your normal stylus that you can also work with other than your hands. It also has the hotkeys on both sides of the board and a nice little pen tray that you can actually store your markers in. Full integration with Microsoft Windows. Let's quickly have a look here. Let's go for inking space, select a pen, and now I can annotate and write anywhere on my screen. Close that. The other nice functionality is it comes with its own software, CD-based, that you can install, and this does not require a serial number. So this is absolutely free software that you can use within your classroom. As you can see, it's got a lovely response, and your teachers and your boardrooms will love this board. Another nice feature, it also integrates properly with your PowerPoint presentations. By the swipe of a finger, I can move to and fro from my board. By selecting the pen inside of Microsoft Office, I can annotate in my PowerPoint presentation, thus saving it and distributing it. Let's quickly hop out of this one. Of course, Excel, everybody loves Excel. You've got your full Excel sheet also with your inking capabilities that I can now make my notes within my Excel sheets. And that is our new interactive whiteboard.